dreamy eyes, your dreamy eyes. No, I don't need your pretty smile, your pretty smile. No, I just want your perfect mind, your perfect.
What is good? It's your girl Carrie. If you're new here, please make sure you hit that red subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you don't miss anything when I upload. If you ain't new, welcome back, boo. Let's go ahead and get it popping. So first off, the eyes that I'm wearing today is Himalayan Brown from TTDI. Promo code is Carrie if you want to save you a little coin. Any equipment that I'm using for my setup, as far as stuff in the background, and all of the tools and products that I'll be using in the video to style this unit does come from Amazon. I do have all of the links listed in the description box. Do keep in mind they are affiliate links. You're not obligated to shop through them, but if you do, it does give me some money to pour back into the channel to buy new units to review. And also pay attention to the description box. There are some fire marks down there. It says you might want to look at it, sis, and it is some ways that you guys can make money. For instance, opening up a Chase account using my link, you could get up to $350. Shop online, which a lot of us do. If you're not using Rakuten already, if you shop through my link, you would get a bonus $20 plus cash back on every shopping experience. It's a lot of things down there, so make sure you check it out. But let's go ahead and get into the video. All right, y'all, so we have another collaboration today. I know, right? We are in and off this year with collaborations. Bang, 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 back to back. But anyways, today is with my girl Samore Love TV. All right, y'all, so if you're not familiar with Samore Love TV, I don't know where you been. For real, she has been doing this YouTube thing for some years, y'all. I'm talking about years, okay? And she doesn't just do wigs. She does a little bit of everything. She does a little bit of nails. She does a little bit of try-on hauls, a little bit of everything. If you like the girly stuff, you'll definitely find some of that on her channel. And like I said, she's been doing this for a very long time. So I do feel a little special that we collabing together. So I appreciate you, girl, so much. Thanks for collabing with me. And y'all, make sure y'all head over to her channel once this review is done and show her lots and lots of love. I'm definitely sure you're gonna find something over there on her channel that you're definitely into, okay? Because she gonna bring it to you. She gonna give it to you. And what's up, girl? I know you in New York. We two New Yorkers over here. Woo woo. All right, y'all, let me stop playing around. Let's get into this review. So this is one of Bobbi Boss's new soft blowout natural texture units. This is fresh blowout look, a deep part lace, 3.5 part. That's what they give you. Natural texture, Swiss lace front. Now I have the style MLF483 Melody in the color P4/14 premium high heat fiber, but it doesn't tell you up to how many degrees. They do have some other specialty colors as well.
Talking till the first light of dawn, just like fate without no warning. It hit me so hard. Oh, I'm so sorry, girl, I didn't mean to. I done messed it up again. Yeah, I'm sorry if I crossed the line. Supposed to do right now, baby,
so first of all, I'm just gonna have to say off jump, this color is what prompted me to get this unit. But now that I got it, it looks so stripy and I don't like it. Like, I wish that the stripes kind of stopped right here and kind of faded into a dark root a little bit. It just looks too stripy, and it does make it a little bit of hard to blend the parting space to make it look okay, because it just looks unreal. It looks very wiggish, okay? You're gonna have to put a little bit of work into this wig to make it look as natural as you want it to be. As you guys saw when I unboxed it, it did have a little bit of space in there for the part, but it was just a lot of hair still in that part. So I did pluck out some, which was a good amount that I plucked out, and it opened it up a bit. And then I added my powder, but I feel like it's still not giving it that natural all the way. Also, this unit came with super big, like full of hairs. Like it was so puffy up here, it's crazy, that I had to bust out my hot comb and kind of get up in there and flatten it out as much as I can. And it still looks a little humpy to me, but that is the flattest I'm able to get it. I'm just gonna keep it real with you. Also, it doesn't claim to have like a natural hairline or anything like that, but it's super wiggy. Like I went in, and when I plucked apart, I did pluck a little bit from here too, because once you get here, it's just no more lace to even pluck from. But it didn't help that much. I mean, it looked a little better. And then I went in and added some powder to that little piece too, to kind of natural that out. If this was like a natural unit, like a dark number 2 or something, then I could easily kind of manipulate some of the hairs and even add some streaks of like eyeliner or something on my actual skin to make it look like hair. Trying, you know, like jazz it up like as if I was doing makeup, just kind of give it a look. But we ain't got none of that. This is blonde. I don't have anything to resemble it. So like I said, this color did make it a little bit more difficult to kind of make it look a little natural. This is a small unit. It's not big hair friendly. You can see all my edges are out right here. And I was tugging at this unit, okay? If I put it on my forehead, then it's just on my forehead. And that looks crazy, but the sides are still out. So this unit is not going to do you any justice if you have anything around a 22.5 and bigger. That's what I am, a 22.5 circumference size head, which is considered medium and large is the borderline. The curl pattern, don't get me wrong, it's beautiful. Like the curls are pretty, but on this side, it's not cooperating. Something went wrong. They're kind of just running wild and doing their own thing. As you can see, this one is kind of curling front way, as this one is coming down and kind of giving me a flip action like that. Like this side right here is not cooperating. This curl right there in particular has just been doing what it wanted to do. But even still throughout, even with this side, I still had to like go in and like kind of get it and hold it. So that's not cool at all. This unit has a lot of flyaways, and I rarely, sometimes I just deal with it. But today I came out with my little wax papers and I was like trying to tame this down because it was all in my face and I'm not really feeling it. It was just super uncomfortable. We're gonna jump into a couple of things that I do like. Now, I did mention the color as far as it looking stripey up here. However, I still like the color. The color is still beautiful. I like how they did it. It's very dimensional, very pretty. I just wish, like I said, they did something a little different right there. We're getting that nice blowout texture, very natural. The hair is soft. I can't complain, it is soft. I'm not really hitting any like snags or anything with this unit, so that's okay. I'm not really getting any like shedding that's like excessive or anything, so we're cool in that book. What I also like that it is super lightweight, so it might look like it's a little bit of full, but it's super lightweight. Like the hair is not heavy at all. This is like all the hair to the front, so it does give you kind of a full kind of appearance. I did give you a 360 before, but I'll just give you another one now that I done played in it a little bit. But the hair flows, it flows. I appreciate them for coming out with this texture and trying to get us right, because you know, it's a lot of competition in these streets with these natural textures and stuff like that. However, and like I said, it's just super wiggy. But if you had a natural color, it would be easier to disguise all of this and make it look a little bit more natural. The color itself is just not even natural. With the stripes coming all the way up to the part, that's not even natural. So it's just, I picked a bad color for a wig that needed to be worked on a bit. So yeah. All right, y'all. So that basically wraps up my thoughts on this unit right here. And like I said, the color contacts that I'm wearing in my eyes is going to be Himalayan Brown from TTDI. Promo code is Carrie to save your little coin. And again, all the products that I use in this video will be in the description box. Make sure you head over to Samore and show her some love. Samore, thanks again, girl, for doing this collab with me. I really do appreciate you. So I'll see y'all in my next video. I'll holla.
The way you're thinking, it's hard to keep up. You got that beauty and all the brain. Yeah, what you got is deeper within. And your friends don't even know what you got. They just hang with you 'cause you earn